Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've got a military lantern that I'm going to be breaking down and turning into bits and pieces so that I can auction off the parts. The lantern itself can't be used, and I don't want to send it out in working condition. Well, have anybody think it's in working condition. So I'm going to be selling off the bits and pieces. There's all the parts to a military lantern. It was set to run on leaded fuel, made in 1944. As I said before, it has splits in the side of the fuel tank, so fuel tank is toast. Cannot be used. But if you wanted to set up a display, it does have the little pocket in the tank for the tools. This part slides underneath and goes underneath the spring on the manifold, so it clips in there, keeps you from losing it.
you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.